Please don't videotape me.
Oh, okay.
Please, please don't.
What are we doing today?
There's not enough makeup programs in the world that can fix that.
What are we doing today?
We're trying to clean up RJ's record player. That little hole.
You mean the Rotel
You don't think that's wood?
RP 3000
Yeah, the Rotel.
direct drive,
Direct drive.
2-speed turntable?
2-speed.
2-speed?
Yeah.
Some high-tech stuff
The
here.
Beaver, baby. 96 and a half. Yeah.
Ooh, that's clean. Alright,
going to.
do you think we should take that turntable off to look and see if there's any dirt there?
Any money?
Money! Okay.
Whoa. I'm a pig. They were getting shit on it down there when they were painting. Sorry for the tape.
How about a toothbrush?
Mm-hmm. What's that?
Nicotine.
No. That's very good.
Little Pledge, orange clean.
Beautiful. Looks like a rug, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Coming off. Something rubbed on it. I don't like the new shape though either. Two of these, you said?
Good as new.
My God.